It's Camille, guys. And today, guys, I have squishies to show you guys that I bought yesterday and today. I didn't make a video yesterday because I was buying those squishies and it was like nighttime and it was like 12:55. So, yeah. Today, I'll be showing these squishies today. And sorry, I think yesterday, I think after yesterday, I made a video. Or I think I missed that. But then, guys, I just saw my channel. Somebody unsubscribed. I don't know why this unsubscribes. Why did you unsubscribe, whoever unsubscribed? So now I have a 99 subscribers, so yeah. I'm gonna try to show these squishies to you guys. Let's get to the video. Next, I know you guys can't really see a lot. It's okay. Now I'm on the camera like that. The next one that I found is this galaxy moose. I think it's a moose or a cat, a galaxy cat. I don't know what is it, but I just got it. So yeah, like yeah, that was really cool. I like that one. Let me show you the other one from yesterday, which is this dots slice of cake. I'm just gonna call it because it had dots. So dot slice of cakes, that's what I'm gonna call it. A dot piece of cake. Or a dot slice of cake. Yeah, dot slice of cake. This is a little bit slow rising. And I like this one. I've been playing it yesterday okay. So I've been playing it like even like at dinner I've been playing it because it's so stretchy. It's not like it's like so I don't even know why I say stretchy, but it's so soft. Like yeah. So on to the next one. Next one, I know you guys can't really see a lot. It's okay. Now I'm on the camera like that. The next one that I found is this galaxy moose. I think it's a moose or a cat, a galaxy cat. I don't know what is it, but I just got it. So yeah, like yeah, that was really cool. I like that one. Let me show you the other one from yesterday, which is this dots slice of cake. I'm just gonna call it because it had dots. So dot slice of cakes, that's what I'm gonna call it. A dot piece of cake. Or a dot slice of cake. Yeah, dot slice of cake. This is a little bit slow rising. And I like this one. I've been playing it yesterday okay. So I've been playing it like like even like at dinner I've been playing it because it's so stretchy. It's not like it's like so I don't even know why I say stretchy, but it's so soft. Like yeah. So on to the next one. The next one is from today. And I already unboxed it. I don't know why, but that's me. Okay. So the first one that I really wanted is this bread. This bread with chocolate dip. So it's a bread chocolate dip. I wanted this one because I just saw people get it, and I really want it because it looks soft, and it is actually soft on the part here. And I love it because it has a chocolate dip in it. So, great. Great for me. I love this one, guys, a lot. So, yeah, that one is the bread chocolate dip. So, move on to the last one. The last one of the day. Last one is this. Hold on, I'm gonna put the bird over there. The last one is this Swiss roll. A Swiss roll, which I want this one too because it's a Swiss roll cake, and it can still count as a cake. You know, a Swiss roll cake. It can still count as a cake, right? It can still count as a cake, I think. So yeah, that's the end of the video. And sorry if it was really bad. So this is the end of the video. It's really bad, but thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And I hope I get 100 subscribers again because somebody just unsubscribed. Like, okay. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and peace. And I hope somebody subscribes so I can get 100 subscribers, because that's what all I'm thinking in my mind. Because why did I even make a video of 100 subscribers if somebody unsubscribed? Now I already have 99 subscribers. Like, I'm close, you know, I'm close. But thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. I'm like, peace.